Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your RedotPay card from Apple Pay. So first of all, you need to launch your Google Wallet or your Apple Pay application on your Android phone and make sure that you sign in into your account that has your RedotPay card linked. Also, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of Google Pay or Google Wallet. So you can come here on the Google Play Store and you can search for Google Wallet. If you find any of the updates here, you need to make sure that you update it and you are using the latest version. Now over here, tap on the U icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you are going to see the RedotPay card which is linked. So you need to select that card and tap on the three dots menu on the top right hand corner in order to access the card options. There you will find the option of remove the payment method or remove the card. So you need to select that and confirm your choice when it is prompted. So once it is confirmed, your RedotPay card will be removed from Google Pay and you will no longer be able to use the contactless payments on that device. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.